Hi, I am Dr. Payman Simoni, double board certified rhinoplasty specialist in Beverly Hills. I have been doing rhinoplasty for 20 years, and having done thousands of rhinoplasties, I have realized that every face is different, so I have to match every nose according to their face. One of the main differences from what I do and other plastic surgeons, I don't break the nose, I don't pack the nose. By avoiding breaking and packing the nose, my patients do not have any pain after the surgery. The surgery becomes painless. Once they wake up from anesthesia, they go home, and 7 days later, they come to me and I remove the cast. They can go back to work, they can go back to school. When a patient comes to see me for consultation, first I listen to them to understand what exactly they want. Then we use a very highly advanced technology to take the picture of their face and the nose in 3D. And we make the changes and they can see their face in all different angles. We move the face in 3D that they can see the changes so they can appreciate what their face would look like after rhinoplasty. They take the picture home, they can show it to their family, they can discuss it with their family, and then they come back on the day of the procedure. We'll go over everything one more time. I mark on the nose. Every millimeter counts in rhinoplasty. To get a perfect rhinoplasty, you need to pay attention to every millimeter. It's very different than other plastic surgery procedures. Rhinoplasty is the most difficult plastic surgery procedures of all the procedures out there. That's why we are specialized only to do this. Patient's going to go under anesthesia, they wake up, they go home, no pain, they come back 7 days later and remove the cast and they get a new nose.